Hi friends, let me ask a question. Is it possible to build a professional dashboard in just 4 minutes without learning any code? Look at this screen. Sales reports, customer data, profit and loss. Everything has a cinematic level look. And the best part? I built this whole dashboard without writing one line of code. I just told Claude AI and it did everything. This video is for you if you work with data but do not know coding. Today I will show you how to do this magic in 4 minutes. Let's get straight to work. To be honest, thinking about making a dashboard used to remind us of Excel formulas and PowerBI issues. But my dear friends, times have changed now. Today we will work with a superstore data set. It has customer purchases, profit, and loss. I will show you from start to finish. You only need a free Claude AI account and internet. Let's go to the first step. First, open your browser. Type Claude AI. Log in when the site opens. Now look below. There is a big plus button. Click it. I am now uploading my Superstore data file. Look, the file is uploaded. Now the real fun starts. Now we will ask Claude to build the dashboard for us. But there is a problem, friend. I do not know what to say to Claude to get the best dashboard. So I will use a smart trick. I told Claude, write a perfect prompt for me. A prompt that makes the dashboard look CEO level and has many slicers. Look, it wrote a great prompt in a few seconds. This step is very important. A good prompt means a good result. Now I select and copy the whole prompt. Our chat has many words now. So I am opening a fresh new chat. Look, the new chat option is on the left. I clicked and opened a new chat. Now I will paste the copied prompt. But remember, just the prompt is not enough. I have to upload that same data file again. Let's click the plus button again. Now I hit enter. Look, Claude is analyzing my data now. It is writing code, but you do not have to understand any code. Nothing. It is making the whole dashboard with React and HTML. This will take a little time because it is making more than 10 charts. Look, it is calculating revenue, profit, and customers separately. The whole process is automatic. Let's wait a bit. Wow, look! The dashboard is slowly coming to life in the preview window on the right. Line charts, bar charts, pie charts, everything looks great and the slicers work perfectly. If you do not like the color or style, just tell Claude, it will change it. I think this is fire. The dashboard is fully ready. Now the download button is visible below. I clicked it. An HTML file has been downloaded. This is your final dashboard. I double-clicked it. Look, it is fully interactive. The charts change right away when you use any filter. It is professional level. The most fun thing now is the speed. The charts update the moment you click a slicer. There is no lag. It is much safer and more professional than Excel. I suggest you practice with small data first. This is possible with the free version of Claude. So friends, today we saw how to build a professional dashboard without knowing code. I think your fear is much less now, right? If you get stuck anywhere, write in the comments. I will reply myself. If you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I am bringing more powerful AI tools in the next video. Stay well, keep learning new things. Goodbye.